Hello, welcome to Vietnamese Lesson 1, the foundation, vowels, and platform. Many people say Vietnamese is hard. Why? Because of the tone. But today, I will show you the secret, mouth shape, and music. Let's start. First, the vowels. Look at my mouth. Open wide, very wide, like you see a doctor. Ah, ah, your turn. Open big. A, ba, ma. Next, relax your lips like the English word bed or get. Keep your tongue low. E, e. Remember, don't smile yet. E, me, be. Now, smile. Stretch your lip wide, like taking a photo. Cheese, e, e. Very sharp sounds. Smile small. E, B, me. Next sound. Make a circle. Small hole. R, R. Air comes out straight. R, bo, jaw. Last vowels. Push your lips forward, like you want to kiss someone. Very forward. U, U. Good. Keep it tight. U, tu, mu. Now the tone. This is the flat tone. Còn gọi là thanh ngang. Imagine a straight line or a robot. Don't go up. Don't go down. Stay in the middle. Listen. Ma, ba, ga. Keep it long and flat. Ma, not má, not mà, just ma. Let's mix them together. Flat tongue mixed with vowels. Repeat after me. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. One more time. Check your mirror. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Great job! You passed lesson 1. And this is homework. Look at in the mirror. Record a video saying A, E, I, O, U with flat tone. Send it to me. See you in the next video. Tạm biệt.